First thing we're going to do is set up a NextJS application so that you guys can go ahead and begin building this application along with me. Now I already have my system set up, but I'll restart and create a brand new NextJS setup just so that you guys are aware how it works. So the first thing you'll do is you can open up a blank Visual Studio Code application. Okay, so I'll make this bigger so you guys can see it. Now that we're in Visual Studio Code, what you want to do is literally you can hit Control Tab and we'll run the command npx create -next -app. Let's just name this Dr. Fullstack app. Excellent. Now it's going to ask us whether or not we'd like to include TypeScript. We're going to say no for this tutorial. Unless you're familiar with TypeScript, that's absolutely fine. I want this to be easy as possible for everyone to just get started building applications and get ready to get a job. Okay, so we'll say no. ESLint will include that. Tailwind CSS, doesn't matter whether you include it or not. I'll just say yes. Source directory, no for now. App router, no for now as well. Custom default alias, sure, we can keep that. So what we want to do in this case is we can cd into that file, or that folder rather. We named it Dr. Fullstack app. If I just write Dr. Full and just press tab, it should pop up with the rest of the folder name. And now I'm actually in the folder. So if you do have the code dot command for Visual Studio Code, then you can open it that way. If you do, awesome. So if you do have that set up, then it'll just open it up like that. But if it's not set up, then what you want to do is literally head over to where you'll see it. So as you can see, the app is over here in my home folder, which is called marketing. Okay, so at this point, we've got the application. Begin installing what we need. So we want to install Bulma. We want to install Axios. We want to install MongoDB. One of them is React Calendar. The other one is React Icons. Okay, so let's go ahead and install all of that. Now you'll see all this Tailwind stuff. We can just head over to the very top and paste the Bulma CDN link so that all of your pages are able to access the Bulma CSS library. This is going to make coding a lot faster so that we don't have to go in and do a lot of funky stuff with the CSS unless we absolutely need to. Okay, so at this point, our terminal, and we'll do a simple npm run dev just to make sure everything is sweet. It'll be running on localhost 3000 unless you already have something running on that port. Let's open that up. And so here's what we're looking at first glance when we open up the application. This is the template we have. Now we're going to go ahead and get rid of most of this. We're going to go over now the file structure for NextJS.